Welcome to this week's video tutorial. Today I would like to show you how you can make a component of your dynamic report to be a pop-up window that can be toggled on and off using a button. To demonstrate this, I will use this example report. This report is as it comes out of the publisher. Nothing has been changed yet. Now let's say I would like to make the time series chart a pop-up window. I would maybe want to do that if a component is not primarily important for the report, or if I'm running out of space to display all components next to each other. I will open the config.xml file in the Instant Atlas Designer. I select the component that I would like to make to a pop-up window. In my case, it's a time series chart. And then I tick the checkbox of the property pop-up window. There's another property called pop-up window visible, which allows me to define if I want the component to be visible when I open the report or if it shall be hidden on startup. I want it to be hidden initially, so I leave this checkbox unticked. Now I need to insert a button to be able to toggle the components on and off. I will insert a new button via Insert, Button, and I give the button a name. For example, time series. And I say OK. In the URL field of the Links tab, I now need to call an ActionScript function. This has to start with script, followed by the appropriate function name. The Designer section of the Instant Atlas Desktop User Guide lists all available ActionScript functions, but I can also find the name of the function if I select the time series chart again and hold my mouse pointer over one of the two pop-up window properties. The tooltip that appears tells me the correct ActionScript function, which is in this case toggle time series. So I go back to the new button and write exactly this function behind the script, : Please note that the function names are case sensitive. I can now save my changes and refresh the report in my browser window. Initially, I don't see the time series chart, but when I click on the time series button, I can toggle the component on and off. By the way, the Data Explorer is by default set up as a pop-up window, which can be toggled using the Data button. If you would prefer to have the Data Explorer as a static component rather than a pop-up window, you can simply delete the Data button and untick the pop-up window property in the Data Explorer properties. If you experience any difficulties in setting up your own pop-up windows, or if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact support@geowise.co.uk.